Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You must start by verifying legality and your intent. I cannot help with trading illegal substances. Once done, pivot. Learn market basics and pick lawful instruments to practice on. You should open a simulated account or a regulated broker account when permitted, so you build skill without risk. Make sure to document sources of funds and understand KYC rules. This protects you and keeps activity compliant. These initial checks let you proceed ethically and avoid legal exposure. You now move into practical execution using legal, simulated environments. Start by testing a rule-based plan. Define risk per trade as a percent, set stop losses, and set profit targets. This helps remove emotion. Once done, record every trade in a journal so you can analyze outcomes and adjust rules. Make sure to practice position sizing and leverage limits so losses stay manageable. This repeated, disciplined practice is how you learn what works and why in real markets. You finish by transitioning carefully from demo to live trading once rules show consistent profit and acceptable drawdowns. Fund your account with an amount you can comfortably lose, start small, and scale up only as your edge proves reliable. Once done, review performance weekly and keep risk controls firm. This prevents small mistakes from becoming large losses. If you hit persistent losses, stop trading live, go back to a demo environment, and rework your strategy before resuming. This is the key troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.